guys, we need to go and find the chosen school so then we can get the magic and save Hogwarts.
You told us 1,000,000 times already.
I know, because this is very important, because without the magic we'll fade and die.
I still don't get why we can't use my magic power. I'm the chosen one.
Hey, don't hit him. He's my best friend.
Thanks, brother. That means a lot.
My research suggests that the best schools are within this region.
Nerd alert. I mean, you're so smart.
Anyways, what's our first stop?
Hopefully somewhere quick, somewhere near, and somewhere with lots of magic.
What do we think, Hermione?
Well,
This ain't it.
yeah, I agree with them. It ain't the place.
Well, we'll have to try somewhere else then.
I'm feeling a bit famished. We should go somewhere to eat.
Alright, but only to the best place.
I can sense magic in this one. I don't fancy this one.
No fancy in here, mate.
It's okay, guys. We got one more school, and I think it's gonna be the one.
Is this a Gryffindor scarf?
No, it's a Viewmont scarf.
Oh, brilliant. There's got to be someone to help us out, though.
Well, let's go find everybody. Why can't I get this blasted door
Oh
open?
wait, I can just use magic.
Family, how is this fighting the muggles?
Just use your wands, idiot.
We're stupid.